Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Adobe Flash Player on Windows 10. To start off with, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you need to untick the McAfee security, just like that. Unless you do want to install the McAfee security, then keep it ticked. You now need to go ahead and press install now. And you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file. And you now need to keep allow Adobe to install updates ticked. Unless you don't want it to automatically install updates, then you need to select never check for updates. But it just makes life a lot easier keeping it selected. Once you're happy with your selection, you now need to press next. And before we press finish, you need to close down your default web browser. So if you're using Firefox, Chrome or Edge, just close it down, and once you've done that, we can now press finish. And it will open up our default web browser. And that is it. It really is as easy as that to install Flash Player. If you do want to make sure Flash Player has installed successfully on your web browser, you can head on over to the second link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. On this page you can now click on check now and it will tell you your Flash version and what web browser you are using. As you can see, my Flash version is 29.0, which means that's all good, it's detected that, and if you scroll down a little bit more, you can then verify your Flash Player is installed here. As long as you can see this animation, then that means it's all worked absolutely fine. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.